number of coronaviruses in Hong Kong, South Korea and Japan is expected to rise in the winter due to dangerous levels of infection. With strict East Asian countries have deployed medical personnel to assist and liaise. In Japan, self-defense forces nurses will assist local hospitals in the Osaka and Hokkaido regions, as 1,518 new cases were reported in the country on Monday. Contains more death. In South Korea, the military and police are supporting efforts to establish contacts, while checkpoints will also be encouraged to conduct extensive checks in the Seoul area at night and on weekends. Air travel to Hong Kong and Singapore, which began in November, has been postponed until next year as a fourth wave of coronavirus infections has affected Hong Kong. Hong Kong officials said Tuesday they would inspect the corridor later this month to see if it could open next year. Both governments are keeping a close eye on the epidemic situation in both places. Hong Kong, the decision to postpone the launch date of the ATB was further made with the number of local cases. Along with Australia and New Zealand, further tightening and easing restrictions on coronavirus in East Asian countries should be improved, as the region faces increasing winter to challenge the early stages of epidemics for severity and distress. Australia and New Zealand are set to enter the southern half of the summer. In a briefing on Monday, a South Korean health official warned that the country was facing the biggest crisis since the onset of the epidemic, adding that daily cases could reach 750 this week.